Hello there, everybody. Today we're going to be going over this Dyson fan again. It's getting cool outside, so I know we did a video on its cooling capabilities and what that cost, but now we're going to be looking into its heating capabilities and how much that cost. So I have this thing running just to warm up here for a minute. I got it at 73 degrees and speed 1. We're just going to quickly go through each of these speeds. I did just kind of test the temperature, and it really doesn't do anything to the wattage here in terms of scale, that it would jump up a whole bunch depending on if it's up on 80 versus 70 or what have you. So right now on speed 1 we're 123 or 1235 watts. And let's just jump through these speeds and see how that changes. So 1, 2, 3, 5 on 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Alright, we'll let it balance out there. 1270 on 2. 1317 on 3. Say 1350 on 4. 1390 on 5. 1420, let's call it, on 6, and then we're just going to jump up to 10. Seems like those averages are just jumping up 50 or so. So on speed 10, we're just right about 1500 watts. So I believe that's what this is rated at. Coming down a little bit, so we'll call it 1450. Alright, let's see what that costs over on the energy calculator. Welcome back to the energy cost calculator here. So we're going to run these numbers for that Dyson fan on heat. So we're going to do, again, 1 hour a day, so you can just multiply this by how much you think you're going to use the thing. So we're on speed 1, 1235 watts at approximately 13 cents a kilowatt hour here. So we're doing 16 cents an hour on 1. We have 1270 on 2. Let's calculate that. 16.5 cents. 1317 on 3. That is 17 cents. 1350 on 4. That is 17.5 cents. 1390 here on 5. That is 18 cents. 1420 on 6. That is, call it, 18.5 cents. And finally, 1450 on speed 10. We jumped up a few speeds there, and that's, we'll just call it 19 cents there for speed 10. I did want to put in 50, as that seems to be the average, just about the average per speed increase. So each speed you go up 1, it's about 50 watts to make that change. So 0.006 cents per 1 notch increase. So there we go for that Dyson fan with heat. Pretty comparable, I suppose, to a space heater, an efficient space heater, that is. So not too bad to run. I usually run ours on 4 in my daughter's room, just as a little extra heat when it gets real cold. So it does have a timer, so you can set that for whatever you want. It's a really good fan. I got no complaints with it, but all in all, very inexpensive to run as a fan. You can check out that video. I'll link it below. And pretty comparable on average with your other very efficient heating fans. Hopefully this was helpful. Stay warm, and we'll see you in the next one.